Hello, sorry guys, welcome to our channel. Today my topic is Shopify and reading to price policies. Introductions. In our missions to make commerce better for everyone at Shopify, we collect and use information about you, merchants using Shopify to power your business. Customers who shop at a Shopify powered business, partners who develop apps for merchants to use bullet stores on behalf of merchants, refer potential entrepreneurs to Shopify. You are otherwise help merchants operate or improve their Shopify powered business. User of Shopify apps and services like Shop or YoPay. Visitor to Shopify website or anyone contacting Shopify support. This privacy policy will help you better understand how we collect, use, and share your personal information. If we change our privacy practice, we might update this privacy policy. If any changes are significant, we will let you know. For example, through the Shopify admin or by email. Our values. Trust is the foundation of the Shopify platform and includes trusting us to do the right thing. We your information three main values guide us we develop our products and services. These values should help you better understand how we think about your information and privacy. Your information belongs to you. We carefully analyze what types of information we need to provide our services, and we try to limit information we collect to only what we really need. Where possible, we delete it or anonymize this information when we no longer need it. When building and improving our products, our engineers work closely with our privacy and security teams to build with privacy in mind. In all of this work, our guiding principles is that your information belongs to you, and we aim to only use your information to your benefit. We protect your information from others. If a third party requests your personal information, we will refuse to share it unless you give us permission or we are legally required. We are we When we are legal required to share your personal information, we will tell you in advance unless we are legally forbidden. We help merchants and partners meet with their privacy obligations. Many of the merchants and partners using Shopify do not have the benefit of a dedicated privacy team, and it is important to us to help them meet this privacy or obligation. To do this, we try to build our product and services so they can easily be used in a privacy friendly way. We also provide detailed FAQs documentation and a white paper covering the most important privacy topics and a response to privacy related questions we receive. When we process your information, we generally process your information we need to do so to fulfill a contractual obligation. For example, to process your subscription payments to use the Shopify platform, or where we or someone we work with needs to use your personal information for a reason related to their business, for example to provide you with a service. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe and keep like. uh, mm, Allah Hafiz.